Hi, I'm Karen. I'm from Inverness, Scotland, and I've just had my forever smile at Antlara Dental. I needed some dental work in UK, and the price was so expensive. I did a lot of research. I looked over a year and a half at dentists, and I decided on Antlara. It was the best, it suited my price and had lots of recommendations. I came out here a year ago, so I've had 3 visits in total, just because I needed some work on my gums, because I previously had cancer. They have been fantastic. The staff are amazing. They pick you up at the airport, they arrange everything. The hotel is lovely. There's a text group chat, and everyone is in that chat. And if you've got any questions, as soon as you text, they get back to you. I highly recommend it, and as you can see, I'm delighted.